Hi, Mark again from Panel Perfect. Today we've got a 2017 Audi Q7. Got a couple of dents in the door. Okay, so here is the damage to the Audi Q7. You can see made up of two dents. This one here, a little bit of depth to it. I believe it's behind a brace. The panel feels very firm. And also a couple of other smaller bits of damage, tiny little bit there. And a slightly deeper, sharper one here. So let's get this fixed. All done with the Audi Q7 door. Repair came out really well. There was a couple of things that got in the way physically. There was a brace that runs through here, so we had to deal with that. I think it probably helped that the brace was there, otherwise the damage would have been quite a bit more significant, I think. And also aluminium panel. I was aware of that before we started, but forgot to mention it. Aluminium's a little bit harder to work, so that gave us the odd challenge. But as you can see, it came out really well. So if you get any dents, give us a call.